told me
Yeah.
that. My mom told me that.
What?
Walmart, she rides at least 3 times a week and rides the way
Bud was embarrassed one day he was with me. I don't know
You know
her.
what you gotta do? You gotta get a little cart you can pull right behind you.
You know, and he gets embarrassed. Bud gets embarrassed.
It's really hilarious, isn't it?
I'm laughing at all y'all.
You're taking your top off.
That's right, you don't need to kind of...
Look at Hey, everybody.
Farted, ripped one, and walked away. She busted.
Kelly's all, hey!
I didn't all day to do that.
Okay, I'm gonna go put this... I'm gonna...
Right.
Play. That's
She's all,
I'm gonna
yeah.
put this on Ruby.
Hey!
Put it in the thing.
You're hoping that nobody knows it.
Yeah.
There's a dead
What you done?
No, not shock. Not shock.
Shocked,
Nice.
disgusted, depressed.
But carry
She's all
on.
carry on.
Carry on.
Good
folks.
trooper.
Do whatever you
You know
gotta
what?
But carry
If
on.
you were in the water and I was rescuing you, you'd
Dave,
be
you
laughing.
said but. Dave, you said but. Carry on. You're just giving her ass permission to carry on.
Watch out now.
Carry on luggage? No.